Hey guys, hope everyone's good. So, as you can see, I have a very early 7-9 save, and this has the tide, as you can see. Again, I'm very excited about it. Guys, look at that expiration. I'm going to have it play one more time at the end, a little bit longer, so you guys can get a better view of it. But I just want to let you guys know this is not a full book. This is just a little mini book that I got early because I wanted to get you guys this tide. I know we've all been itching for some good PNGs, and here's 3 good PNGs for you. The big book is great. It's got BOGO for Breeze. It's got a lot of good stuff. It's got some Unilevers as well. So if you want to grab this version, you can go on bqsavings.com. I will have this solo, just this little mini book, which is a little bit more expensive solo, or I will have it in a set with other books as well. I want to make a big package for you guys. So the options are there, bqsavings.com, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks.